Hello everyone, this is Isabel. I'm at Mobile World Congress 2023. As you can see, it's all happening around us, and I'm at the cool MDOCS booth. And I'm very privileged today because I'm joined by Gil Rosen. He's Chief Marketing Officer of AMDOCS. Gil, welcome to the hot seat.
Thank you, Isabel. It's nice for you to come over and be with us, and looking forward to our conversation.
I love your brand, by the way. I think it's one of the best brands on the show floor. You're doing great things.
I would tend to agree, but I'm biased. But yes, thank you for liking it.
So, Gil, everyone's always looking for the next big thing. Huh? What do you think is the next big thing in our industry?
That's a really interesting question. There are so many things happening, and I would like to split it into two. I think the big thing that is still not happened to the full potential is 5G. We tend to run after the next big thing, but 5G and the network and the implementation of the network to the full extent is still so important. And once we have that in place, I think one of and that's the second part, the two big things that are hitting the world and will be based on the capabilities that we as an industry enable will be, of course, the metaverse, this is the third chapter of the internet. Super exciting like never before. And what's happening in the last few months with generative AI that's changing how we work, how we go to market, how we let automation and artificial intelligence be part of our business, that will be super interesting.
And we see AI everywhere on the show floor this year.
Yes, AI, of course, nobody can ignore it. It's no longer just a thing that gives you a better insight. It's almost human, right? And that brings it to a completely new potential. Whether it's from the automation part or how you provide customer service, almost every part of the organization, or I would say this, every executive in the telecom industry has to stop everything they do, look at what they've done and say, how can we do it different, better with AI? Because the level of AI that has now become available is profoundly different. I have to tell you, we in AMDOCS are looking into it. I, in marketing, am looking into it. I've already started using it, and it's disruptive. And when such a technology arrives, if you just wait to see what others do, you will lose. Stop everything you're doing, and think how you can use AI in order to do it better.
As they say, you snooze, you lose.
In this case, you snooze, you're gone, right? It's not lose. You'll become irrelevant. Your competitors will do something so much better. And everybody in the industry is talking about new revenue streams and costs. Talk about automation, talk about better customer service, non-human. The customer gets a better experience. You lower your cost base. Could be a real win-win for everybody. So I really advise everyone to take a disruptive approach and not just have a team look into it. From the CEO level, every C level in the company needs to report to the CEO how he's doing things differently with generative AI.
So, how do you think it's going to impact the business of the operators? 5G, kind of, we've talked about it quite a lot, but Metaverse, the generative AI, how do you think is that going to change the business of the operators going forward?
Great question. I was here in Mobile World Congress back in the days when the iPhone changed everything. The iPhone changed everything because it brought a richness of experience to mobile connectivity which never existed before. And networks, I wouldn't say operators have enjoyed this new renaissance of connectivity in the mobile domain, which previously only existed in the PC domain. And that really changed our industry, right? The applications, the developers, the amazing software that users use everywhere based on the networks. That was the second chapter of the internet. The metaverse is the third chapter. For the first time in the history of humankind, we're basically going to be inside the digital experience and not looking at a screen. The amount of network capabilities that are required to power such experiences is 10x what we have today. Not only speed-wise, latency, quality of service, and many other things, which can only be powered by a fully implemented 5G network. And of course, just like the iPhone, which started everything but basically opened up mobile connectivity, the metaverse will open connectivity in a new way. We're looking into new education use cases, medical use cases, manufacturing use cases. So that will definitely be an oxygen that the this industry, our industry, will bring to the world, and operators will enjoy it to the full extent, more so, in my opinion, than they enjoy even the introduction of smartphones in the mobile industry. So a lot more to come.
Okay, so that's very exciting. I can't wait. So, MDOCS, how is MDOCS positioning themselves to help operators address this new opportunity and challenge as well?
Well, great question. The reason that we're here also, um, we we defined something that we called, in order to make all this amazing thing happen, in order for our customers to make it amazing as our brand tells them to do, um, we defined something we called metaverse grade connectivity. The ability of the service provider to launch metaverse grade services and products requires a suite of products and services that we built. So we looked internally to our suite from the monetization engines, how that can provide flexible monetization on any model that they can dream of in the metaverse space, to the network provisioning, to the planning that is required with the edge nodes that enable all these cool experiences to unfold. So basically, the AMDOCS suite of products and services will enable our customers, the service providers, to launch metaverse services to their customers. And also remember that our customers are brands and they need to interact with our customers. So we were also reimagining customer care in the metaverse. We were reimagining commerce in the metaverse. You really need to reimagine everything. So in the same way I talked about reimagining or stopping to think about generative AI, in the metaverse we're doing the same. We're also investing in research to understand future consumer trends in this space. So we're fully vested in making sure that our products and services will power the future of these experiences.
Okay, I'm very excited now. I think I will get you back on my hot seat again soon, sooner than you think, because I think there's going to be a lot of evolution quite quickly, huh? And there's a lot gonna happen soon.
Yes, and we all, again, we're really pushing the envelope with our customers and helping them to make it amazing.
Thank you, Gil, for a great interview. I hope you have a good continuation of the Mobile World Congress 2023.
Thank you. We're looking forward to it.
Everyone, thank you for watching, and until my next hot shot.